Welcome to this tutorial video, a kitchen layout with smooth flow and seamlessly integrated appliances is key to elevating everyday living. In this course, you will learn step-by-step how to combine cabinets and appliances to create a custom kitchen for your space. Let's get started. Step 1. Enter the kitchen design. Go to Interior Design Tools. Click Advanced Tool. Select Kitchen and Bath to enter the customization interface. Step 2. Custom Refrigerator Cabinet Design. Click on Public Catalog. In the product catalog, you can select various cabinet types to build your desired layout. Let's start by making the refrigerator cabinet. Click Auxiliaries End panel on the left panel. Select the required model from Tall End panel and place it in the target position. Adjust the dimensions in the right parameter panel as needed. When setting the dimensions, make sure to leave space for the crown molding. Then select a suitable model from Wall Cabinet, Common Unit, and place it in the required position. Adjust its dimensions in the right parameter panel. Once adjusted, click Kitchen Appliance Refrigerator. Choose a desired refrigerator and place it under the wall cabinet. Next, to make the side finish look better, select the left end panel and copy it to the right side of the refrigerator. Finally, slightly adjust the distance between the refrigerator and the end panels on both sides. Make sure to leave enough space for heat dissipation. Now the refrigerator cabinet is complete. Step 3. Place a corner cabinet. Click Base Cabinet. Select Corner Cabinet at the top. Choose a suitable model and place it in the wall corner. Switch to the 2D view. Adjust the side seal panel depth and side seal panel width in the right parameter panel as needed. Make it align flush with the refrigerator cabinet. Step 4. Built-in disinfection cabinet design. Switch to the 3D view. Click with drawers at the top. Select the desired model and place it in the target position. Adjust its dimension as needed. Select the top 2 drawers and delete them. Then click Kitchen Appliance Disinfection Cabinet. Choose a desired style and place it inside the drawer base cabinet. And just like that, a cabinet with a built-in disinfection is done. Step 5. Sink and Stove Cabinet Design. Next, click Base Cabinet with doors at the top. Select a double door base cabinet and place it in the required position. Adjust its dimension as needed to prepare for generating the sink later. Then select a single door cabinet and place it next to the sink cabinet. Next, select the cabinet we just set up for the sink. Click Copy and place it on the other side of the single door cabinet. This will be used for generating the stove later. Step 6. Place drawer base cabinets and fillers. Click with drawers at the top. Select the desired model and drag it into the room. Adjust its dimension in the right parameter panel. This leaves space for the filler. Then click Auxiliaries Fillers on the left panel. Select the required model from Base Filler and place it in the gap. Step Final. Wall Cabinet Design. Click Wall Cabinet. Choose a desired style and place it to the right of the refrigerator cabinet. Modify its height in the right parameter panel. This reserves space to accommodate the electric oven. Then click Single Upturning Door Wall Cabinet and place it in the target position. Select its door and bottom panel and delete them. Finally, click Kitchen Appliance, Electric Oven. Choose a desired style and place it inside. Next, click Decorative Unit under the Wall Cabinet category. Choose your desired style and place it to the right of the window. Adjust its position as needed. Set the height and distance from floor in the right panel. When setting dimensions, remember to leave space for the crown molding. Switch back to Common Unit again. Select a double door wall cabinet. Place it in the target position and adjust the dimension as needed. This is for generating the chimney hood later. Pick another wall cabinet you like and place it into the room. Adjust its dimension in the right parameter panel. This leaves room for the filler. Then click Auxiliaries Fillers on the left panel. Select the required model from Wall Filler and place it in the gap. And with that, our cabinet layout is completely finished. In the next course, we will continue to learn how to generate a sink, stove, countertop, etc. See you soon. That's all. Thanks for watching.